Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we explore creating ID card using Python. Here we are using this Batman image for the ID card profile picture. Now we can see the Python script for creating the ID card. Execute our Python script. Here the execution time and date are mentioned and the instructions for creating the ID card are shown below. Now we enter the details one by one. First, enter your company name. I am entering MRL TechSolutions. Enter your full name. I am entering Mr. Batman. Enter your gender. I am entering male. Enter your age. I am entering 24. Enter your date of birth. I am entering 5/12/2000. Enter your blood group. I am entering B positive. Enter your mobile number. I am entering 1234567895. Enter your address. I am entering number 1 Superman Street, Avengers Colony, USA. Enter your image path to your ID card. I am entering Batman's image path. Here our ID card has been successfully created as a PNG file. The stored file name is mr.batman.png. Let's see our output. This is our complete ID card, both the front and back sides. The front side displays the profile image, full name, ID number, and company name. The back side shows the company name, full name, gender, age, date of birth, blood group, mobile number, and address. Here is the QR code for the ID card. If you scan the QR code, it will show the company name and your ID number. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in next video.